Most people plant a banana tree, wait a year and get no bananas, just leaves. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to plant a banana tree the right way and the 3 care mistakes that stop it from ever fruiting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your banana plant needs to actually give you fruit, not just leaves. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I grow and test everything I show you, no theory, just what actually works. Banana is one of the most requested plants on this channel, so let's get into it. Quick note before we start. Banana isn't actually a tree, it's a giant herb, and that matters because it changes how you plant and support it. I'll show you why in a second. Before you plant anything, pick the right variety for your space. Dwarf Cavendish is best for pots, terraces, and small gardens. It grows 4 to 6 feet. Grand Nain or regular Cavendish is bigger, needs open ground, and grows 10 to 12 feet. Ornamental banana like Musabastu or red banana is grown for looks, not always for fruit. If you're growing on a terrace or in a container, always go dwarf. A full-size banana plant in a pot will struggle and rarely fruit well. There are 2 ways to start. The first option is from a sucker or pup. This is the fastest and most reliable method. Take a sucker, a small shoot growing from the base of a mature banana plant that's at least 1 to 1.5 feet tall with its own roots. Cut it away from the mother plant with a sharp spade, keeping the roots intact. Trim any damaged roots and let the cut heal in shade for a day. The second option is from a tissue culture plant. If you're buying from a nursery, tissue culture plants are disease-free and more uniform, good if you're growing for fruit seriously. Now for the planting steps. Use a pot at least 20 to 24 inches in diameter or a pit 2 by 2 by 2 feet in the ground. For soil, mix equal parts garden soil, cocopat or compost, and well-rotted cow dung manure. Bananas are heavy feeders, don't skip the manure. Place the sucker so the base is just at soil level, don't bury the stem. Water thoroughly right after planting. Place it in a spot with 6 or more hours of direct sunlight. This is non-negotiable for fruiting. This is where most people go wrong. For watering, banana plants need consistent moisture. Never let the soil dry out completely, but never let it sit waterlogged either. In pots, water every 2 to 3 days depending on weather. In the ground, twice a week is often enough. For feeding, every 3 to 4 weeks, add well-rotted manure or compost. Once a month, add a handful of neem cake for pest resistance. When flowering starts, use a potassium-rich feed. Banana peel water works great here to support fruit development. Bananas are heavy potassium feeders. If your plant is all leaf and no fruit, potassium deficiency is usually the reason. Let's talk about common problems. Problem 1, yellowing leaves. This is usually overwatering or nitrogen deficiency. Check drainage first, then feed. Problem 2, no flowering after a year. Banana plants typically take 10 to 15 months to flower. If yours hasn't, check if it's getting enough sunlight, if it's pot-bound in too small a container, and if it's been fed enough potassium. Problem 3, too many suckers competing with the main plant. Once your main plant is established, keep only 1 to 2 suckers around it and remove the rest. Otherwise, they all compete for nutrients and none of them fruit well. Problem 4, wind damage or leaves shredding. This is completely normal. Banana leaves are designed to tear in wind so the plant doesn't topple. Don't worry about torn leaves, only worry if the main stem is damaged. Once the purple flower or banana heart emerges, hands of bananas will form behind it. Once you count 4 to 5 hands, cut off the remaining flower bud. This redirects energy into the fruit instead of more flowers. Bananas take 75 to 100 days from flowering to harvest. Harvest when fingers turn plump and rounded, then ripen indoors in a paper bag or rice bin. Never ripen on the plant. Birds and squirrels will get to it first. That's the complete process from choosing the right variety to planting, feeding, and finally getting fruit. If you follow this, you should see your first bunch within a year to 15 months. If this helped, hit subscribe. I post a new growing guide every week. And drop a comment telling me what stage your banana plant is at right now. I'll help you troubleshoot. See you in the next video.